Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Riot client no internet found error. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to change the DNS server manually. To do so, in Windows search type view network connection and open it. Now select your active internet, right click on it and select properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, double click it. Now select the option use the following DNS server address. Now in the preferred DNS server type 8888 and in alternate DNS server type 8844. Then click on OK. Now you can check if your problem is fixed or not. If it fails, then follow the second solution. Second solution is to restart your router. So what you have to do, simply disable Wi-Fi from here, then unplug the Wi-Fi router from the wall socket and unplug all the wires attached to your Wi-Fi router. Then wait for 40 to 50 seconds. Then connect all the wires to your Wi-Fi router, turn on your Wi-Fi and then connect the Wi-Fi to your PC. And then you can check if no internet found error has been fixed or not. If not, then the third solution is to reset your internet connection. To do so, in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type this code one by one and hit enter. This command are just to reset your internet connection. You can copy and paste this command from the video description. I have mentioned these CMD codes in my video description, so you can copy paste this command from my video description. Now you have to restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So use this command prompt and go ahead and restart your PC. And once your PC restarts, then you can launch Riot client and check if your no internet found error is fixed or not. This has helped the many users to fix this error. So I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not fixed, then the fourth solution is to disconnect to a VPN. So you can connect to any VPN of your choice, such as Proton VPN, NordVPN or any other VPN of your choice. Then connect to a different location other than the current location and then check if your error is fixed or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. If this also does not work, then the last solution is to disable the third-party antivirus program. So if you are using any third-party antivirus such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then simply turn it off and then you can check your error is fixed or not. And later on you can turn on your antivirus program. So by this way you can fix the error no internet found in Riot client. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.